In a world where most floor washers stop at warm water, the Tineco S7 Stretch Steam introduces a new standard with true supercritical steam cleaning. This isn't just hot water on the floor, it's 160 degrees Celsius pure steam injected directly onto stubborn messes for instant results. With its ability to melt grease in seconds, remove stains in a single pass, and sterilize in real time, the S7 Stretch Steam transforms everyday cleaning into a professional-grade experience. Thanks to Tineco for sponsoring this video. If you're ready to experience the future of floor care, you'll find a link in the video description. The S7 Stretch Steam leverages direct steam injection to tackle the toughest messes. Oil stains dissolve on contact, hardened spills loosen instantly, and sticky residue vanishes without effort. In as little as 1 second, stains melt, in 2 seconds they're removed, and the surface is left clean in real time, something no ordinary floor washer can achieve. From greasy kitchen to tile grout, even the most stubborn messes are handled. Steam cleaning has always been limited by short battery life, until now. Powered by a 6400 mAh soft pack battery, the S7 Stretch Steam runs up to 80 minutes in standard mode, enough to clean an entire home in one charge. Even in high temperature steam mode, it delivers a breakthrough 30 minutes of runtime, far surpassing the 10 to 20 minutes offered by conventional steam cleaners. That means you can steam clean your whole kitchen, living room, and bedroom in one session without interruption. Cleaning isn't complete if your floors are left damp and streaky. That's why the S7 Stretch Steam uses full chain quick drying to eliminate odors, prevent rework, and keep surfaces fresh. Floors dry rapidly, leaving behind a spotless, residue-free finish that feels as clean as it looks. It's also widely recognized that sufficiently high temperatures naturally kill common household bacteria. For example, dust mites cannot survive above 55 degrees Celsius, while harmful bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Staph are eliminated after just 1 to 3 minutes of exposure to 100 degrees Celsius heat. Since the S7 Stretch Steam delivers 160 degrees Celsius steam and maintains 99 degrees Celsius plus directly at floor level, it creates the conditions needed for true sanitization. According to Tineco, this results in a 99.99% bacterial removal rate. For households with pets and kids, that means no lingering smells, no chemical residues, and no waiting around after a clean. Like Tineco's premium lineup, the S7 Stretch Steam is designed for effortless upkeep. After each use, the full cycle self-cleaning system flushes the brush, pipes, and suction port with hot water, followed by 185°F hot air circulation drying. This kills bacteria, prevents odors, and ensures the unit is always fresh and ready for the next job. Even the roller brush comes out clean and odor-free, saving time and extending the product's lifespan. The S7 Stretch Steam is engineered to reach every corner of your home. A 180-degree lie-flat body lets it slide under couches, beds, and low furniture. Triple edge cleaning ensures no dead corners along walls or baseboards, while the tangle-free brush makes hair jams a thing of the past. With 22,000 pascal suction power, it picks up debris while steaming, making it a true all-in-one solution for modern households. The Tineco S7 Stretch Steam sets a new benchmark in home cleaning. With supercritical steam technology, industry-leading runtime, antibacterial quick-drying, and effortless self-cleaning, it goes far beyond what traditional floor washers can offer. Whether you're dealing with everyday messes, stubborn grease, or pet-related accidents, the S7 Stretch Steam delivers spotless sanitized floors in less time and with less effort than ever before. This isn't just cleaning, this is steam cleaning perfected.